So right now you can see that I have this particular form layout where I can see multiple fields right here in the same page. If I were to go ahead on to preview form right here just like this, then you will be able to go ahead and see everything in the same page just like this. So now let's say I want to go ahead and then only enable one field at a time. In that case, you can go ahead and change the form layout. So to do that, you can go to Form Designer and then you can go to Layout. And here you can see that right now Classic Form is selected. But what you can do now is go to Card Form right here, just like this. Once you go ahead and select it, you can see that the form resets. And now you can see that one field is now in one page. So if I were to go ahead and preview out the form now, this is how you would see the form. So you can see it says 12 questions. So if I were to click on start and click on next, you first have one question right here. You can go on to next, and then depending on the card that you have right here, you can see that it goes to the next page. So let me just go ahead and turn off the preview form right here and go to Form Designer. And for the card, you can see that you can go ahead and select out the theme as you want right here. You can go ahead and add an image as you want in the background as you like for the form as well. And you can even go ahead and add in, let's say for example, a video background right here, just like this, so that the video plays in the background. And this is the layout right here. So if I were to go ahead and preview out the form now, you can see the video background and you can see that the form looks quite interesting this way. So if you want a more interactive form rather than a traditional one, you can go ahead and use this approach as well. So let's just go ahead and turn this off and then go to the home page of Jotform right here. So what you can actually do is you can even go ahead and create a new form. So if you were to go to create and then go to form right here, then you can go ahead and start from scratch. And over here as well, you can see that card form is an option. So if you were to go ahead and click that, then what happens is that you get the form in the card form by default as well. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the form layout option inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.